What's up, everybody? I'm here with the Reyes family. I wanted to ask you guys, what made you decide to get a whole home water purification system instead of using pitcher filters and bottled water?
I'd say after years of hauling cases of water bottles home from Costco every week, dealing with that choky buildup on our faucets, dry skin every after shower, and then once I saw a couple of our neighbors had installed, so I thought to get that for us.
So who do we think is more excited about having clean water straight from the tap instead of buying bottled water all the time?
So I think that would be me. We were spending a fortune on boiled water just to feel safe, and I was constantly telling the kids not to drink from the tap. The lime scale on everything was a nightmare to clean too. As someone who works in real estate, I see water systems in other homes all the time, and I always wanted one for ours. So when Superior offered the free water test and we saw that was actually in our water, that was it for us.